Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Super English Podcast, where you improve your English while learning valuable life skills. Today's topic is one of the most important skills every person should learn. Financial management. No matter who you are, a student, an employee, a business owner, or someone just starting your career, learning how to manage money can completely change your future. In today's episode, you'll improve your English vocabulary, listening skills, and financial knowledge at the same time. So, grab a notebook, relax, and let's begin. Chapter 1: What is financial management? Imagine receiving your salary every month. But by the end of the month, your bank account is empty. No savings. No investments. Only bills and stress. Does this sound familiar? Financial management is the ability to plan, organize, save, spend, and invest your money wisely. It isn't about becoming rich overnight. It's about making smart decisions every single day. Good financial management helps you control your spending, build long-term wealth, prepare for emergencies, achieve your dreams. Money itself isn't the goal. Freedom is. And money management is the road that leads to that freedom. Chapter 2: Budgeting. Give every rupee a job. A budget is simply a plan for your money. Instead of wondering where your money went, a budget tells your money where to go. Think of your budget as a GPS for your finances. Without it, you'll probably get lost. Start by writing down every source of income. Salary, freelance work, business income, rental income, interest, anything that brings money in. Next, write down every expense. Rent, electricity, internet, transportation, food, shopping, entertainment, everything. Now compare the two. If you're spending more than you earn, that's a warning sign. Many financial experts recommend the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for your needs, 30% for your wants, 20% for savings and investments. Remember, a budget isn't meant to restrict your life. It's meant to give you control. Chapter 3: Save before you spend. Here's one of the most powerful financial habits in the world. Pay yourself first. Most people spend first and save whatever is left. Successful people do the opposite. They save first, then spend what's left. Even saving a small amount every month creates a powerful habit. Saving gives you security. It helps during medical emergencies. It protects you if you lose your job. It helps you buy a house, start a business, travel the world, or achieve any dream. The amount isn't as important as consistency. Small savings, repeated every month, become big wealth over time. Chapter 4: Debt, friend or enemy. Debt isn't always bad. Some debt helps you build your future. For example, an education loan can increase your earning potential. A home loan helps you own an asset. These are called good debts. But credit card debt, payday loans, or borrowing money for unnecessary shopping, these are bad debts. Bad debt steals your future income. If you have several loans, list them all. Write the amount, interest rate, monthly payment. Then create a repayment plan. Pay high-interest debt as quickly as possible. Avoid making only the minimum payment, because interest keeps growing. Remember, the goal isn't to borrow more. The goal is financial freedom. Chapter 5: Investing. Make money work for you. Saving protects your money. Investing grows your money. This is one of the biggest differences between average earners and wealthy people. Wealthy people don't only work for money. Their money works for them. There are many investment options: stocks, mutual funds, bonds, real estate, gold, index funds, systematic investment plans, also called SIPs. The secret isn't finding the perfect investment. The secret is starting early. Because of compound interest, time becomes your biggest advantage. Never invest everything in one place. Diversify your investments. Stay patient. Ignore market noise. Think long term. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Chapter 6: Prepare for the unexpected. Life is unpredictable. An accident, a medical emergency, job loss, unexpected repairs. These events can happen to anyone. That's why every person needs an emergency fund. Financial experts suggest saving enough money to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Keep this money somewhere safe and easy to access. Insurance is another essential protection. Health insurance protects your savings. Life insurance protects your family. Vehicle insurance protects your finances after accidents. Insurance isn't an expense. It's protection. Chapter 7: Give your money a purpose. Money without goals usually disappears. Money with goals creates a better future. Ask yourself, what do I want? A new laptop? A car? A business? A home? Financial independence? Retirement? Write your goal. Choose a deadline. Calculate how much money you'll need. Then divide that amount into monthly savings. Big dreams become achievable when broken into small monthly steps. Chapter 8: Retirement begins today. Many young people think retirement is too far away. But every year you delay costs you money. Imagine two people. One starts investing at age 25. The other starts at age 35. Both invest the same monthly amount. The first investor usually ends up with much more money. Why? Because time allows compound growth to work. Your future self will thank you for starting today. Never underestimate the power of time. Chapter 9: Use technology to stay organized. Today, managing money is easier than ever. Budgeting apps help track expenses. Investment apps simplify investing. Expense trackers show where your money goes. Digital spreadsheets organize your financial goals. Technology cannot make you rich, but it can make smart financial habits easier. The best financial tool is the one you actually use. Chapter 10: Financial mistakes to avoid. Even intelligent people make money mistakes. Don't repeat them. Avoid spending more than you earn. Avoid emotional shopping. Don't ignore inflation. Don't delay investing. Never depend on only one source of income. Don't invest based only on social media trends. Review your budget regularly. Review your investments. Review your goals. Small mistakes repeated for years become expensive. Small good habits repeated for years create wealth. Final chapter: Your financial future starts today. Financial management isn't about becoming a millionaire overnight. It's about building a peaceful life. A life where money supports your dreams instead of controlling your decisions. Let's quickly review today's lesson. Create a budget. Spend wisely. Save consistently. Invest patiently. Manage debt carefully. Build an emergency fund. Protect yourself with insurance. Plan for retirement. Review your progress regularly. Remember, every wealthy person started with a single financial decision. Your journey begins with the next one you make. Thank you for listening to today's episode of the Super English Podcast. If you enjoyed this lesson, keep practicing your English every day. Because improving your English and improving your financial knowledge can both transform your future. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep investing in yourself. See you in the next episode.